Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dyson, and today I am showing you how I created this makeup look. And yes, so my inspiration was this. It is the CoverGirl's Trunaked Jewels palette. Here it is up close. It's a very inspiring eyeshadow palette, and I really wanted to use the purples and the gold and the green color, and I also did use a little bit of this black like on the lower lash line, and I used this mauve pinkish shade right here as a transition. And yeah, so I really love CoverGirl so much. If you could do me a huge favor, all of you that follow me and support me, if you could go over to either CoverGirl's Instagram or some other social media or outlet of theirs, let them know how much Valerie Dyson loves CoverGirl, because I am loving their products so much. I only used two in this makeup tutorial. This Jewels palette and the CoverGirl Clean Professional powder, but I do want to buy like a lot more makeup from them, and I would just love it if y'all could just let them know about me and let them know how much I love them. Well, I hope you love CoverGirl too, because you're about to see this makeup look now. By the way, I do want to add, I did not show on the makeup tutorial part, but I did add these falsies, and these are the Ardell Wispy lashes. So just wanted to say that before getting into this makeup look. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make a eyeshadow look, an all over makeup look, using this CoverGirl Trunaked Jewels palette. But yes, I have had this in my collection for a little while now. As y'all know, I really love CoverGirl, but I don't, you know, I just recently was able to buy from them again since they just announced that they went cruelty-free earlier this year, I think it was, or late last year, I can't remember. But I stopped buying from them for a while because, you know, I got onto the cruelty-free journey, and now they announced they're cruelty-free, so I can buy their stuff again. But I used to buy their stuff all the time back in the day when I first started playing with makeup. But yeah, so I saw this eyeshadow palette and I had to pick it up, and not only did I buy me one, but I did buy an extra one that is in a future giveaway of mine, but actually it's current giveaway of mine. I'm waiting till I hit 3K before I announce the winner, so you do have time to enter that giveaway if you want to. It's in my description box below, and it also is like a end card at the end of this video if you want to enter that. If you're new to my channel or you haven't entered yet, you can still do so. I still have like 200 subscribers to go before I hit my 3K mark, so you probably have plenty of time to enter that. But yeah, I wanted to get inspired by this, and that is what we're gonna do. So I haven't even opened it up. As you can tell, there is still the tape on it. I have not swatched them or anything, but the colors just really intrigued me. And what I really want to do today is use mainly the purple shade, maybe this gold shade, and the green shade in it. It does come with a little applicator thing, but I'll probably give this to my daughter so she can play with it. And yes, so I think I'm going to start off with my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in the color Eden, like I always do. Now I'm going to set the eyeshadow. No, I don't think I will. Never mind. I'm going to actually probably go ahead and start off with the purple shade right here in the inner corner of the eye. All right, after that, I am going to go in with this gold color and pretty much kind of just connect both of these shades together. I do notice that this palette so far, these two colors are so pigmented, and I am happy with the quality so far. All right, after that, I'm going to use this green shimmer shade, and I'm pretty much going to put it on the rest of that corner of the eye. All right, now I'm going in with my Tarte Man-Eater palette, volume 2, and I'm going to use the Covergirl, which is a matte black, out of this palette. But if you do not have that palette, by all means, just use whatever matte black you have already in your collection. And I'm putting it on the just very, like the outer corner V, just lightly, like that, and we'll blend it out in a second. All right, so the only reason I did that is just because I wanted it to be a little bit deeper on the outside corners of my eyes. So you can skip that step. I just figured that's what kind of a look I would want more, if that makes any sense. All right, now I'm going back in with this CoverGirl palette, and I'm going to use this shade. It is a matte, like a pink nude shade. I don't know how to explain it, but it's kind of like my skin tone, but just a little bit pinker. But I'm going to use this as a transition color. I will warn you, that had a lot of kick up on that color, but so far I'm loving this palette. And yeah, so I'm just going to kind of just blend all these colors where they look more put together. All right, just to warn y'all, I do have the animals in the room, so y'all will see them in the background, maybe off and on. If not, there is Oreo that's playing with my necklaces that I have hanging up on one of my, I don't know, decor in my room. So you might hear him playing with necklaces, and you might hear Milo's little nails in the background off and on. But yeah, so just keep playing with the colors until you're pretty much happy with the way it is blended and turned out. I'm pretty happy with the way it is right now. So now I'm gonna do my face, and first off, I'm going to start off with the Coty Smooth Glow Hydrating Face Primer, and yeah, put this on my face. After that, I'm going to dab a little bit of the Physicians Formula Concealer. And I'm just gonna put a little bit right around my dark spots on my eyes. And now I'm gonna use my Thrive Cosmetics Buildable Blur CC Cream as my foundation. And now I'm going to use my CoverGirl Clean Professional Loose Setting Powder. Alright, after that I'm going to go back in with the CoverGirl palette, and I'm going to use that same like pinky taupe looking color, and I'm going to put it on my lower lash line and then smoke it out pretty much, or blend it out. Whatever. All right, now I'm gonna go curl my lashes real quick, and I'll be right back with you. All right, now I'm going to use my Pixi by Petra mascara and coat my lashes with it. Alright, I know I messed up on the mascara just a little bit, and it got on my eyeshadow and under my lash line, but I'm going to let it dry for a little bit, and hopefully it will flake off easier that way. I'm going to go ahead and do my bronzer. And the bronzer I'm going to be using today is the Too Faced bronzer in Sweet Tea. I absolutely love this bronzer. I have had it for a little while now, like I want to say maybe even over a year. I think it was on my yearly favorites of 2019 or 18. So yeah, really love this bronzer. It just gives a very nice, like, I mean, buildable bronze. Like, it's kind of like you can mess up with it, but it, you know, it's really hard to mess up with this bronzer. Like, it just gives a very nice glow. And if you do feel like you messed up on your bronzer or you brought it too low, you can always clean it up with loose powder like I do. I'm going to go back in with my CoverGirl Clean Professional powder, and I'm going to put it on my dry beauty sponge. And I'm just going to start off with the outside corner of my mouth right here and go towards the middle of my ear. And then kind of draw a line without really drawing one. Like so. And do that on both sides and try to get them even. And you can let it sit for a while if you want to. While I let that sit, I guess I can try to get this mascara off. And now I can get that bake off. I don't think I want to add any blush today, but I do want to have a highlighter. So I'm going to use this Ciate London Moon Dust Highlighter, and I'm going to highlight my face with it. Now I'm going to get the foundation off my lips with the Pacifica Cherry Kisses Hydrating Lipstick Wipes. And now I'm going to use my ColourPop What's Your Sign Zodiac Lipstick. And I almost forgot to fill in my brows, so I'm going back in with that Tarte Maneater Volume 2 palette, and I'm using that matte brown right here in the corner. It's called Midnight. And now I'm going to finish up this makeup look using my e.l.f. Beauty Shield Facial Mist. As I look at this makeup look a little bit more, I want to put this green shimmer shade on the lower lash line. So I'm going to try not to make a mess of things and do that. And I want to deepen it up even more, so I'm going to use this really shimmery black that's on the corner, and I'm going to get it on my brush, and I'm going to put it right under the lashes, and then I'll blend it out with a fluffier brush. And now I'm going to go back in with that gold shimmer color or glitter color, and I'm going to put it on my brush, and I'm going to put it as an inner corner highlight. Alright, now I think I'm really happy with this look. Now I'm going to go and fix my hair, and I will be right back with you. Okay, that's the end of this makeup look. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to let CoverGirl know how much I love their products. I will so appreciate that, and I hope you love CoverGirl too. Let me know your favorite CoverGirl products in the description or in the comment section below. I would love to know what is your holy grails from CoverGirl. That way I can know what I want to get next. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this makeup look. It is so, I know it's at the end of spring, but it's very spring appropriate. Hey, it's even fall appropriate in my eyes. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you buddies next time. Bye. By the way, do you like my new background? I know it's nothing much. It's kind of plain and very, you know, but I really wanted to get out of the backdrop. That way I could be, I don't know, just a little bit different. I wanted to change it up a little bit. Now you can see my room. This is my bedroom, but I also want to get a few things to go in the background. That way it'd be more appealing to you, or maybe I won't. I'm not sure. You let me know in the comments below what you think I should put in the background, or leave it like it is, or Did you like the backdrop better, or you don't really care as long as you see me? Alright, now that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching.